In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Google Meet in just 5 minutes. It's a simple process, but mastering it can significantly enhance your online meetings, allowing you to present documents, slides, or even your entire desktop. So let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll need to open up Google Meet. If you're not already signed into a Google account, make sure you do so, as Meet relies on that for access and functionality. Once there, you'll see an option prominently displayed that reads New Meeting. Go ahead and click on that. This step is your gateway to creating a virtual meeting room where you can host others or practice sharing your screen. Next, you'll be presented with a few options. For our purposes, select Start an Instant Meeting. This action will open up a new meeting session immediately, placing you right at the heart of a new virtual space. This is your opportunity to familiarize yourself with the layout and tools at your disposal. You'll see yourself on the screen and below, a set of controls that are key to managing your meeting. Now that you're in the meeting, turn your attention to the bottom bar where you'll find an option labeled Present Now. This is your central command for sharing your screen. Clicking on it will open a menu with further choices. These will typically include sharing your entire screen, a specific window, or a particular tab from your web browser. The best option usually depends on what you plan to present. Sharing a single window or tab can help minimize distractions during your presentation and keep everything focused. Once you've decided what you wish to share, select it from the provided list. For example, if you're working with a PowerPoint presentation or showing a spreadsheet, you'll likely want to choose the specific window that's displaying your document. After making your selection, look for the Share button. Clicking Share effectively turns your chosen content over to the meeting attendees, placing it at the forefront so that everyone sees exactly what you're seeing. And just like that, your screen is being shared with all participants in the meeting. To ensure a smooth experience, be mindful of what's visible on your screen before sharing. Close any irrelevant tabs or windows and disable distracting notifications that might pop up. When you're ready to stop sharing, simply return to the Meet window and click Stop Sharing in the Options bar. And there you have it, a complete guide to sharing your screen on Google Meet. Remember, the more you practice these steps, the more comfortable you'll become. Screen sharing can greatly enhance your ability to communicate and collaborate, making it an essential skill in the digital age. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.